Which is safer, synthetic or steel winch cable? When it comes to winch cables, a common question arises. Which is safer, synthetic or steel? Let's break down the facts to help you make an informed choice. First, consider what happens if a winch line snaps. Synthetic rope is much safer in these situations. When synthetic rope breaks, it releases energy gradually. This means there is less risk of injury from a whipping cable. On the other hand, steel cables can store dangerous kinetic energy. If they snap, they can whip back and cause serious harm. This is especially important for large trucks and 18-wheelers that often deal with high-tension recoveries. Next, let's talk about weight and handling. Synthetic ropes can be up to 8 times lighter than steel cables. This lighter weight makes them easier to handle during winching operations. Operators benefit from reduced physical strain, which is a practical advantage during heavy-duty recoveries. Steel cables, while durable, are heavier and can be cumbersome. They also requiring gloves for handling due to sharp burrs that can form over time. Now let's look at durability and environmental factors. Steel cables perform well in harsh environments, especially where there are sharp edges or heat. However, they can corrode if not maintained properly. This corrosion can weaken the cable over time. Synthetic ropes resist corrosion and even float in water, making them useful in wet conditions. But they do degrade faster when exposed to ultraviolet rays, chemicals, or rough surfaces. For heavy-duty use, synthetic ropes are often the better choice. They are ideal for frequent high-tension recoveries where operator safety is a priority. Steel cables may be preferred in situations where abrasion resistance is critical, but they requiring strict safety measures. For instance, using dampeners can help absorb energy and reduce risks during a failure. In summary, synthetic ropes are safer during failures, lighter, and easier to handle. Steel cables are more durable in tough conditions but come with snapback risks. Operators should consider using synthetic ropes for most recovery scenarios involving heavy trucks. Steel cables can be reserved for specialized conditions where their durability is needed. Regular inspection and adherence to load limits are essential for both types of cables to ensure safety and effectiveness.